Hello, and I am currently sitting on the Bodyfriend Davinci, another game collaboration massage chair between Bodyfriend and VComfort. I'm currently in our Birmingham showroom, and I will explain some of the features about this massage chair. So this chair was designed and inspired by ITEL Design, who basically design supercars all around the world. One of the main features about this massage chair is the electrical independence analysis, which basically it has special built-in sensors for the feet and the hands area, and it sends a safe electrical current through your body to measure certain muscle mass, body fat, your water content, your protein, minerals, and overall body types. Again, the massage chair has automatic leg movement, leg extension. As you can see, it will automatically move according to a person's height. Also comes with heated balls, so not only do you have the lower back heating, the foot and calf heating, you also have the heated balls where the rollers itself have heating. The balls in the rollers itself have heating, and as the rollers move up and down your body, you will feel the heat. Comes with 60 automatic programs. Again, this lovely wireless 7-inch Samsung tablet, and it is a 4D roller, very high intensity, and I would definitely say I will put this up in the premium category as well. Again, comes with the wireless charging, so you can charge your phone at the same time. One personal thing about this massage chair is in fact the stretching programs. As you can see here, this will be your tablet screen display. You can play around with the intensity levels, the speed levels, increase or decrease the intensity of the speed and the rollers, and also the airbags as well, and the heating. The benefits of using this massage chair, of course, is definitely better sleep quality. It reduces your pain management, and enhances circulation, elevates your energy levels, reduces stress levels, better sleep quality. And again, I would definitely say it's a massage chair for everyone. So right now you'll be able to see the slow stretch starting to commence, and what that basically will do is help blood flow around the whole body. Again, we at VComfort, we offer 3 years manufacturer warranty, a dedicated installation team, and also the option to upgrade within your 3 years warranty. We also offer 0% finance. There's 0% finance availability amongst our 4 different partners, and the retail price on this is currently at £9,999. But again, I would definitely have a look on our website, www.vcomfort.co.uk, for all the latest promotions, offers and discounts. Thank you very much.